Hello, YouTube viewers. Welcome to Henry Epic. And today's episode, I'm going to show you the basics of trading with Robinhood. So you sign up for a free account, and then you can also sign up for a debit card, a cool little debit card that I got in the mail just today. You get a letter and you get a cool debit card. I was on the waiting list, so it's pretty cool. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to buy a stop limit, how to stop sell, and just basic trading principles and some of what it looks like. So this is, again, just for beginners that are not familiar with Robinhood. At the end of the video, I'm going to give you a link. I'm going to share with you a link where if you sign up for Robinhood, if you don't already have a Robinhood account, I will get a free stock and you will as well. So let's get into it. Okay, so here you can see what I have in my account today vested as of today. This is after hours, and so today I earned about 4.79, not bad for a day. You can see some of the stocks that I'm trading, Zoom, Moderna, and I'm a long-term holder, so a lot of these, whatever they do, they go up, down, sideways. I don't really care because I'm in it for the long term. I want to save for my retirement. I do also trade on E-Trade and some other platforms, but I like Robinhood. Robinhood's just a little more modern. It's bright, it pops, it's user-friendly. So it's got that cool feel. If you go to the other accounts like E-Trade and TD Ameritrade, well, it's kind of more technical, and but it's also really cool. That's a good way to, so let's get into it. So today, one of my favorite stocks right now is, like, say, Alibaba. I like Alibaba. I've been investing, I've been holding them for a while. So on average, I did dollar cost averaging. What that means is you buy a stock at a certain price. Let's say I bought Alibaba at like 180, and then I see it go up, and then I'm like, okay, I maybe take some profits or maybe keep some money in there. And I'm like, okay, it went down to 165 and I bought some more because I buy on the dips. So then it averages it out, and at the end of the day, you hold on to more shares, and hopefully you don't sell them. If it's companies you believe in, you don't want to sell. Okay, so it also gives you a rating. So they have 100% buy rating by the analysts. Okay, so this is a good stock. Also, you can see like Morningstar reports and different reports here that will tell you, you can read reports. Also, you can see the company's earnings, so like per quarter. So for example, for Q3 2020, this is the expected earnings, and these are the earnings. Q4, they haven't reported. A lot of companies are actually stalling, so they're expected to report on May 13th. I don't like to buy when companies are about to report, or when they report. It's a crapshoot. It can be very, very risky. So yeah, I like Alibaba. They're like the Amazon of Asia, so of China. So it's pretty cool. Anyhow, so let's say I wanted to trade Alibaba, and I'm like, well, you know what? I love Alibaba, but I think it's high. I want to cash out. So I can do one of two things. I can sell Alibaba, and I can say I want to sell 10 shares and pay me my money. I can do that, click, and that will give me my money immediately at the market price. Sometimes it won't trade after hours. It will trade whatever the market is as of tomorrow morning. So I won't do that, but that's just for the example. Another thing that you can do is you can buy stocks, but I don't want to buy it, let's say, at tomorrow morning, because I'm like, oh, the price is high, and I don't think it's going to go a lot higher. So you want to be smart about it. So I'll say, I want to do a limit order. I want to buy this stock when it hits 185 again, because I think that the market's going to drop. Now, I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm just showing you how it works, okay? So let's say I want to buy 10 shares of it. So it's going to cost me $18.50, right? And good for the day is only going to last for the day. So I'm like, no, it's good for 90 days until it canceled. And then you can click allow this order to execute during extended hours. That means after hours, after 4 p.m. West Coast, when the stock market closes. So I'm like, no, I don't think I'm going to do that. But that's just for the example. Okay, so anyway, that's just wanted to show you that. So then we go back to the portfolio. That's how you navigate through it. Also, if you want to trade options, it's simple. You just go to, and again, I'm sorry, I don't use the desktop a lot to trade, so bear with me. I usually use a mobile device. So here I'm going to say trade Apple options. And why is it not doing anything? Okay. Sorry, guys. So it's not letting me do the options here. No. Okay, sorry guys. But anyway, you would click trade Apple options, and then options are a little more complicated. I mean, you're gonna have to, that's a whole different chapter. There's straddles, there's different strategies. Like, you know, you wanna basically, you can buy calls and puts. It's a little riskier, but you can make some money really fast, and you can also lose money really fast in the options world. But that's a whole different story. This is just the basics. So hopefully you like this video. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them below. There's a lot of cool features. I would advise just get a free account. You lose nothing. If you have $5, $10, $500, $5,000 to spend and start investing, I started with a little bit. I started gaining. I'm planning to put more money, more of my, I put at least 10% of my income, or 5%, whatever the case may be. Everyone is different. Now, just again, this is money you invest, and this is money you feel comfortable maybe losing. I'm not giving you financial advice, but this is something that you should look into. You should also look into taxes, because of course, if you profit and you cash out, there are taxes, but I'm investing in the long term. I'm planning, hopefully this will be my retirement. I also have some IRAs and SEP IRAs. So yeah, just diversify. You know, you should be buying gold and silver and other precious metals anyway, because that's a good hedge against inflation. So, all right, fellas, thank you guys and girls. Stay safe out there during these crazy times in the COVID-19 era. Again, drop the comments below, smash the like button, and thank you for stopping by my channel, Henry Epic, and we hope to see you soon. Peace out.